The Audi e-tron GT has been revealed, and it comes with 2 electric motors and more horsepower out of the box, as well as a range-topping RS model. The e-tron GT features a standard dual motor setup, unlike the Taycan's newly added base rear motor layout. The front permanent motor produces 235 horsepower, while the rear motor produces 429 horsepower. Total system output is 469 horsepower, or up to 522 horsepower and 472 foot-pounds of torque with the overboost function. Overboost adds an extra burst of power for 2.5 seconds with launch control active. All told, the e-tron GT will hit 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds and will continue on to a top track speed of 152 miles per hour. If you want an even faster Audi e-tron GT, there's an RS model that gets a more powerful rear motor. The back motor alone produces 450 horsepower, and when combined with the front motor, they offer a total system output of 590 horsepower and 612 foot-pounds of torque, or 637 horsepower with overboost engaged. The RS e-tron GT will hit 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and has a limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. That makes the EV as quick to 60 as an R8.